welcome back to Basil Designs Resin with Rachel. Thank you for following me and for watching my video. If you're new, I really enjoy doing all sorts of crafts, but right now my current obsession is working with resin. But go ahead and follow me. You never know what I'm gonna do, right? I'm a crafty mom who enjoys doing all things. My current project that I'm showing you guys is I really like working with my Chameleon Effect mica powders. I use the brand Nick Pro, and it comes in a set of 8 chameleon colors. Now, in order for chameleon colors to really have an effect, right, they are really pretty. However, for you to really get the full effect of them, you need to use a mold that has some kind of texture to it. And I'm sorry for my voice, you guys. I've been under the weather. In fact, the other day I completely lost my voice. But for these coasters have a lot of texture, so I thought these would be perfect. So for that first one that I had used is actually my favorite Chameleon mica powder is the gold, green, and blue. And right now it's currently the top left coaster of your screen. The next one that I used was a green, blue, and gold, which is the top right of your screen. And then the one that I just finished is a really, really pretty one, and it is a blue and green color. And that one would be perfect for any of your ocean type resin projects. And then lastly, I am finishing it off with a blue, purple, and red Chameleon mica powder. So I thought these coasters were really cool. They have a really neat textured effect to them, so they're perfect for this type of project. Okay, so now that I have all of my mica powders ready, I went ahead and put my coaster mold into a tray to pour my resin, and I'm spraying it with some alcohol to hopefully alleviate some bubbles happening. And I have my resin ready, and I'm going to go ahead and pour my coasters. Alright, you guys, it has been a full 24 hours since I poured these coasters. I'm super excited to see the final results. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to support me and my passion for resin and crafting in general, please like and subscribe to my channel. I cannot post any kind of links until I have enough subscribers, so your support is greatly appreciated. I am super excited to show you these results. Let's take a look. And they turned out pretty cool, you guys. So look at that. Look at the textured effect. Look at the different colors that the Chameleon mica powders give off. You guys, this was a super fun quick pour project. So I definitely recommend the Nick Pro mica powders. Thank you for watching my video. Be sure again to please like and subscribe. That definitely helps me out and I appreciate it. I went ahead and put these on a white paper so you could see maybe a little bit better of the effect. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.